Hello, I'm Michael, the General Manager of ZY Caraok. Today I will introduce to you a classical model in the EV charger industry. It is B2. B2 is the earliest portable AC type EV charger of ZY Caraok, power from 3.5 kilowatts to 22 kilowatts, and it supports Type 1, Type 2, GBT. Because of its small size, lightweight, obvious price competitiveness, and very easy for use, it can be quickly charged as soon as it is powered on, so it is favored by the lightweight car charging market. B2's small size and extremely lightweight ensure the convenience of carrying. You can put it in the trunk of the car or anywhere else and take it out for use. Also, B2 has gone through a series of rigorous tests, including car crash tests, drop tests, waterproof tests, leakage protection tests, etc. And all indicators have performed extremely well in a CEV charger. ZY Caraok, new energy EV charging pioneer, leading the new technology trend in EV charging industry. Your satisfaction is always our greatest pursuit.